What's up, MacDaddies Juggalos Juggelettes? It's MacDaddyJosh with another video. Today, guys, this has been the craziest day. This has been like crazy. My dad's car, my dad's truck broke. Okay, so story time. This was a couple days ago. So I'm at school. So I get out of school. I'm happy. I get off the bus. Me and my dad get into the car, and then the gear shift broke. So the gear shift broke. Dad had to borrow. I had to go to my sister's car. My sister had to drive my dad home. Me and my dad home because the car broke down, and he had to borrow my aunt's car. Borrow my aunt's car, and to go. I had to go to school and stuff. And guess what? The car broke down tonight. So I'm just gonna go check. I'm gonna call and check on my dad. So here we go. So guys, let's just call my dad and see how he's doing. I got on speakers.
Hello?
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Teddy.
Are you okay?
Yeah?
Yeah, I bet told me your car broke down.
Yeah, I think I ran out of gas, but that's fixed.
Are they gonna tow it home?
Hello, man?
Are they gonna tow the car home?
Just I'll check and ask them to bring me some gas, and maybe I can make it home.
Okay, what about school tomorrow?
Yeah, well, if I come up to the police station so we got to put gas in it, so just go. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, I bet she just came in my room and just told me that you broke down.
Oh, okay. Can I talk to Andy for 1 second?
She's in the living room, but you want me to...
I'll learn in the living room, that's what you want.
Okay. Just want to make sure you're okay, because Betsy told me you broke down.
Yeah, I'm fine. I filled it up last night, too. Not really sure what's wrong with it.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it broke down.
Huh?
I'm not sure why it broke down.
Yeah, well, the gas gauge doesn't work. I do know that.
So where are you at now?
I'm in front of the Ford place, right across from the water plant.
Okay, did Sharon say what time she's supposed to come get you?
So, yeah, I'm assuming that they're coming right now.
Okay, so they put gas in your car, then you'll come home? Hopefully?
Yeah, darling. Yeah. That's the plan, okay?
Okay.
I love you, darling.
Let you. I hope it doesn't break down tomorrow when we go to school.
Do what now?
I hope it doesn't break down tomorrow when we go to school.
Me too, dude. Me too. But if it's just gas, and we'll get that taken care of, and we won't have any problems. Okay?
Okay.
All right, love you, darling.
Let you. So 10 o'clock you'll be home?
Sweetie, however long it takes you and Carl to get here, so when I can get home, I can't do anything till they get here, okay?
Okay.
I don't know, I'm trying.
Okay.
All right, love you, darling.
Let you.
Bye, sweetie.
Okay, bye-bye. Whoa, he's not happy about the car. Dude, guys, he's not happy about the car. So it just broke down, so I don't know what time it's gonna be home. It's already 9:22 p.m., so, I'm not sure what time it's supposed to be home. My sister and my brother are supposed to put gas in the car. Gas in my aunt's car so my dad can get home, so, yeah, so. Yeah, my sister and my brother are supposed to go tend to him, so, yeah. I'm filming phone calls for footage, so, enjoy the video.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, my dad broke down.
What's that, buddy?
My dad's car broke down. He ran out of gas in my aunt's car.
Yeah, I heard you were talking about the shifter or something.
Yeah, I mean he broke down. He borrowed my aunt's car. The car broke down.
The aunt's car broke down. Oh, wow.
No, not his car. My aunt's car, the one he borrowed.
Yeah, that's what I said. Her car broke down. Oh, wow. I'm sorry to hear that.
You're fine. It's not his day.
Wow. He's had a rough weekend.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, I'll take that for him. I hope things get better for him. That's crazy.
Yeah, Sharon and Carl's supposed to go. I'll go get my sister and my brother.
Yeah. But, well, it's good you got paid today. That's always a good day when you get paid.
Yeah.
I get paid tomorrow.
Cool.
It should. I have direct deposit. It should be in the bank about 5 o'clock in the morning.
Cool.
Yeah. But, said it gets paid. You have a good smooth day? Pretty busy?
Yeah, I did silverware, then I did bread, then I started doing dishes.
Right. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Man. I don't know. Well,
Yeah, my dad's kind of ticked off right now.
what's that, babe?
My dad's ticked off. He's kind of not happy about it. My dad, he's ticked off.
I hate that. That sucks. You know, he had problems with his truck, then he borrows a vehicle and has problems with it. That's not cool.
Yeah, I'm not sure what time he's supposed to be home.
So you're home by yourself tonight?
Oh no, I'm home. It's just I'm home with my aunt and my granny, but my dad's not the one not at home.
Okay. Well, hopefully he'll get there at a reasonable time.
Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't break down tomorrow because I gotta go to school tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. But y'all have winter break coming up, don't you?
Oh yeah, next week. Not. I got this week of school. Then I got next week. Next week is I'm off.
Yeah. That'll be nice. What's your favorite thing in school? What do you like? Do you like math or English or what?
Just hanging out with friends. That's all. Basketball.
Like playing basketball? Okay.
I'm not good at it. I miss the basket sometimes.
Yeah. I don't think none of us is perfect at it, but that's cool.
Yeah, Dad broke down, so I don't know what time he's supposed to come home.
I hate that for him. That's
Yeah, my dad's been having a bad day.
Do y'all live close to your grandma?
Oh no, my dad lives in Carrollton. Mom and Grandma live in Villarica.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, my dad moved to Carrollton when my parents got divorced.
Right. Yeah. You talked to your mom today?
Yeah, I don't know if she told you, but my Mary's got cancer.
I've seen that. I'm sorry to hear that. That's terrible.
Yeah, yeah, Mom told me she cried all day, and so did Grandma.
Yeah, that cancer's a rough thing. That is a rough thing.
Yeah, I thought my mom had cancer, but she didn't. Mom didn't have cancer.
Right. Hmm.
Yeah, she's been crying all day, and Grandma's been devastated.
Yeah, we don't ever know that stuff. That's terrible. Only thing we do is pray about it and hope things get better.
I hope I don't lose her.
Oh, we don't too, right? I hope so not. I hope we don't either.
Yeah, Mom's been devastated.
Yeah. Our loved ones, I tell you what, things like that, that's not a good thing. My dad, he was sick for about 5 years, and I never knew when he was going to be in the hospital when he wasn't. And,
was this your daddy?
Huh?
Was this your daddy? Was this Ralph?
What did you say?
Was this Ralph, your daddy?
Yes, yes. He kept having strokes, and
Oh my word.
he couldn't. Got there then, he was having problems breathing and everything. It was crazy.
Oh my word.
Yeah, it was. My mama's dad, my grandfather, I watched him take his last breath, and that was crazy. That was bad. And Aunt Elva, I watched her take her last breath. That was terrible. And, just don't ever know. So, it's good to love people, and just because you just don't ever know when it could happen. So that's. But well, how tall are you?
I'm not sure.
You're 5 foot something. I would have to say that when you were standing beside me in that picture, I was trying to think. I mean, it don't matter. I was just curious.
I'm probably 5'7". I'm not sure.
I was going to say, but I was going to say you're under 5'10". That's what I was going to say. Yeah.
Yeah, Dad's been having a bad day.
Yeah, I hate that. Like I said, that's. I was so thankful to get my hot water fixed. I tell you what, a cold shower's not fun.
Mm-mm.
Yep, that's not no fun.
So when can I see you?
Huh?
So when can I see you?
But I would hope in the next week or so. I was wanting to try to see you yesterday, but I didn't know what your hours were until after you got home from work. Because I had last night off, so.
Come in, bitch.
Sorry, I keep bugging you. Your daddy called back and said that Sister and Carl was going to come bring him some gas.
Oh, he already told me that.
I did.
Mhm.
Whoops. Sorry.
You're fine.
I didn't know I told you that. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, that was my aunt. Sorry, that was my aunt. What'd you say?
But, no, I was wanting to try to go see you yesterday, but I didn't know what your hours were. When we were texting earlier, I didn't know what your hours, because I had last night off, and I was going to try to come down there, but like I said, I didn't know, you know what I mean? I didn't want to mess things up, but I have to work next weekend myself, and but maybe the following weekend we can get together. I would love to see you.
Yeah, I've been away from you way too long.
Yeah, I would love to come down and see you. I mean, I really enjoyed spending your birthday with you. Need a good old hug. I miss you, buddy.
I miss you too.
Yeah. You give good hugs. You're a good person.
I'm gonna let you go now.
What's that?
I'm gonna let you go now.
Okay. Well, you sleep well. I love you, buddy.
I love you too.
I hope things get better for your dad.
Okay. Hoping for Aunt Mary also.
What's that?
I'm hoping for Aunt Mary also.
Yeah, I'll remember Aunt Mary. There's no doubt. I'll remember your whole family because I love all y'all very much.
We love you too.
And hopefully, like I said, the next week or so we get together because I'd love to see you. So,
Cool.
you sleep well, and I'll text you in the morning, okay?
All right.
I love you, buddy.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Love you. Good night.
Good night. Yeah, guys, yeah, guys, my Aunt Mary's got cancer. My aunt's car broke down with my dad, and my dad's gear shift's not working, so, it's been crazy, so, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe to MacDaddyJosh and RCN, Nimrod Music, and, love you guys. Peace out.